Hello everyone. Look, I had to make this extra video this week because I've been getting a lot of questions from people and it's pretty alarming what's happening. The questions I'm getting from people is mostly about when they've over exfoliated their skin with AHAs, products that they've purchased online or from those TV sites where they do home shopping on TV, those glycolic pads that you rub on the skin. Essentially what's happening is people are buying these products because they're promised a beautiful skin, a younger looking skin. They're using products that are very strong, not suited for the skin, and it's causing a lot of damage. So people that have contacted me, and I've had several already and very long discussions with them, is when they're crying out for help. So essentially what's happened is they've used the products, over exfoliated the skin. Now the skin is severely traumatized. It is feeling burning. So they're experiencing burning sensation with anything. They're finding any product they put on the skin, it's burning the skin, causing redness and rashes. They're getting lumps in the skin, so it's very hard to describe, and it seems to be a very common pattern that after they've all over exfoliated, they're getting all these lumps deep under the skin around this area. They can be, some of them skin colored and sometimes they're red. They tell me they don't feel any particular pain with those lumps. They don't feel painful or anything like that, but they're constantly there and permanently there. No matter what they do, these lumps just won't go. So these lumps look like tiny, small, almost like clogging, congestion on the skin, but it's not. So their skin is super sensitive. They're developing these rashes on the face that just simply won't go away. And then eventually they start breaking out in acne-like symptoms, which is, lesions that look like they're breaking out from acne. So what's happening when you over exfoliate your skin? If you're using AHAs, the wrong type of AHA on the wrong skin type and the wrong grade type of AHA. So there is, a lot of people don't know, but AHAs, they're different grades. And the grades mean how much impurities these AHAs can have in them. So if you get a pharmaceutical grade AHA, it's pure. All the impurities have been removed, and these are the impurities that can cause problems in the skin. When you buy a cheaper type of skincare product with AHAs in it, it's very likely they are not using a pharmaceutical grade. That means it may have impurities in it that causes reactions and problems in the skin. Now, so that's one problem. The other problem is people are self-prescribing and they're using AHAs on their skin when they should not be using AHAs. Just because you see it on TV, just because you see a celebrity using it, just because your friend used it doesn't mean it's necessarily the right thing for your skin. I don't recommend AHAs for everyone. Yes, I have used AHAs and I use AHA pills and I've used serums in moderation as part of a treatment protocol to improve certain conditions if the skin can take it and if their skin can tolerate it. Just because everybody's using AHAs doesn't mean you can use it also. Most of the skins that react to AHAs are people who have history of sensitivity. So if you find your skin prefers to use sensitive formulas, so skincare designed for sensitive skin, if you have a very dry skin, avoid AHAs. If you want to have an AHA peel or if you'd like to use an AHA product for anti-aging, then talk to a beauty therapist before you do that. Go and talk to them, get your skin analyzed to make sure your skin can tolerate it, how much you can tolerate, how often, how frequently, and what's the maximum time you should be using it. See, where people go wrong, they use very high percentages. Just because it's got high percentage doesn't mean it's better. I'm sorry, I'm getting really cranky now, because people think the higher the percentage, the better it is. Now I'm dealing with all these poor people whose skin is damaged. Let me just get my thoughts together, because I get really upset by this. Higher percentage doesn't mean it's better. Also, you've got to be careful about the pH in the AHAs. pH increases activity of the acid, the lower the pH it is. So if you've got an acid that's around the pH of 4.55, it's fairly inactive on the skin. It's extremely gentle, and you will probably find this in cleansers. If you're using an AHA that has lower pH, going below 3, it's extremely harsh on the skin, and it can damage your skin if it's used on the wrong person. And if you're using it without the direction and consultation of a beauty therapist or a dermatologist or skincare expert. Don't self-prescribe. Don't use AHAs just because it's on TV. So the wrong AHAs also for different skins. So drier skin types can tolerate better lactic acid. Stay away from glycolic, especially if it's a high percentage glycolic. Glycolics were initially designed to treat scarring in the skin, post-acne scarring. They've also been very beneficial at reducing thickened skin that occurs after years and years and years of sun exposure. So we would do a glycolic peel on somebody who is in their 40s or 50s, who has thickened skin, prematurely aging skin, and needs refining. But we do it gently again. We're very careful how we do it. We have specific treatment protocols in the salons and clinics and spas on how we introduce people to AHA safely, how we perform the treatments, and then the post-care. See, the pre-care, post-care is incredibly important to keep your skin healthy. Don't just whack AHAs on your skin and expect results without side effects. You've got to be careful. These are the things you don't play around with. And it makes me mad that these things are so freely available on the internet for people to buy and cause that kind of damage to their skin. Be extremely careful, yeah? Especially glycolics. Salicylic acid can be very strong on skins as well. We usually use a very small percentage in a peel to decongest and unclog a problem skin. So these are very good for oily problem skins. But again, we do it very sensibly and gently. We take treatment protocols very seriously when we treat skins. We do a thorough history consultation, skincare consultation, look at the medical history, look at the lifestyle factors, look at what the skin's like before we introduce any peels to a client. If you go to a beauty salon and you demand a peel or a microdermabrasion and they give it to you without a consultation, without filling out a form and signing a waiver, run. Don't do it. Go to somebody who's responsible with peels and microdermabrasions. The stories that I have to read, I've just opened up an email and it makes me cry to have to read this about what people are doing to their skin just because they see it on the internet that people are doing to the skin. Be very careful. So, you've damaged your skin, what can you do? Go and see a beauty therapist. Go and see a skincare expert. They have professional treatments designed for damaged, sensitized, dehydrated skin where the barrier has been broken down. They will help you rebuild the barrier and repair your skin. You've done a lot of damage to the skin. You would have to be patient and you have to be diligent. Stop everything you're doing. Stop experimenting and buying products hoping it'll fix your skin. You'll just keep on aggravating it. People are buying more and more products trying to fix the skin from supermarkets and pharmacies. They have no idea what they're doing. This girl here just complained, she tried to get advice in a pharmacy and people were too busy to give her advice. Nobody was there to help her. So she just bought whatever and it's now causing her to break out. Now she's crying. She's got acne as well. I mean, it's just awful, absolutely awful. Go and see a beauty therapist. Get your skin properly assessed. If they offer you peels or anything like that, run. You want treatments that are calming, soothing, repairing, hydrating. You want a full skincare program to take home to use on your skin to repair the damage. You can only do that with professional products. You can only do it with people who know your skin, who know the products, who know the ingredients. Stop experimenting on your skin. So if you've damaged your skin, stop everything you're doing and go and see a skincare expert. Everything else fails, yes, go and see a dermatologist, but do ask about the medications they put you on because some of them can actually have long-term effects as well. So you've got to be careful. What do I do if I see somebody that's come to see me with very sensitive skin? We take them off everything and we start from scratch and we introduce products extremely slowly and carefully, one at a time, and we monitor it carefully to make sure we find the right products for the skin that works, because not every solution is right for every skin. Every skin is so different and individual. Some people are okay with this particular cream designed for a dry, sensitive skin. Other people find it irritating. We have to find another solution for them. So in a beauty salon and a spa, you will find that they have a lot of products to work with. The reason they have so many products is so that they can choose just the right product for your skin. Sometimes you have to take some samples home and just to try it. Now, initially, I found most damaged skins, when they've been so compromised that they're burning and itching, you will find as your pH is being corrected, it may itch and it may slightly burn, but it shouldn't burn beyond a few minutes. It should settle very quickly. The pH, once it's upset, so once you stripped your skin and you completely upset your acid mantle. Acid mantle is the coating we have on our skin made up of sweat and your own natural oils, and it's of a particular pH. If you've upset that and it's unbalanced, it's allowing things to get in too far into the skin, and the skin is raw, and then it causes a histamine reaction, which causes the skin trying to get rid of it out of your skin. So the histamine reaction means that your skin gets red, swollen, hot, itchy, that causes you to scratch to try and remove the irritant from the skin. The heat and the swelling is caused by excess blood coming into your skin, trying to flush out the irritant. The lymphatic system goes into active mode as well in your skin, trying to bring in your immune cells, trying to engulf, destroy, or take away the irritant that's causing the inflammation. So that's why you get a lot of activity on the skin when you have a histamine reaction. So you need to use products that are designed to reduce histamine reaction in the skin. So we normally call them calming and soothing products. We call them, we usually use botanicals that are desensitizing on the skin, reduce redness, reduce inflammation, reduce the itching and burning. And then finally, so if you've got a sensitized skin, you need to calm it first and then go about rebuilding the barrier as well, because your barrier is broken down, your skin is no longer intact. It's allowing things to get in that are not supposed to. So we need to repair that barrier to stop things getting in that are not supposed to, that are irritating the skin. And you do that through essential fatty acids. omega-3, 6, 9. So plant oils like jojoba oil, rosehip oil, sea buckthorn oil, flaxseed oil, they're all very good plant oils to have enough formula to help to repair the skin. Now, what I've found is using oils that are 100% rosehip, 100% jojoba, 100% whatever, is too much for that skin. You need to get a gentle formula with a little bit of the oil, a little bit of the anti-inflammatory ingredients. So something that is formulated with small amounts in it to introduce it slowly to the skin so it doesn't react again. So you need to get a skincare product that will calm, soothe, and repair your skin. Look, I can't give you specific product recommendations. Why? Because your skin is so individual from everybody else. I would have to see you in person. I would have to do a thorough consultation and a medical history and everything else, your lifestyle factors, everything you've used on your skin, test some products on your skin to find the right thing for you. So I'd have to see you personally to do that. Unfortunately, I can't be there for everybody. I don't even have a beauty salon. I actually go and train other beauty therapists on how they can help you. So go and see a beauty therapist. They will be able to help you. I'm sorry. There was just one letter or one email too many, and it just makes me mad, makes me crazy. The lesson here is, if your skin is in good condition, if your skin is healthy, it's not reacting, it's not sensitive, it's not allergic, do not do AHAs at home without talking to your beauty therapist. Don't buy this crap offline from people who don't know what they're talking about. Okay. Go and see a beauty therapist, go and see a skincare expert, somebody who knows what they're talking about. Use a professional product. These are usually formulated with more pure ingredients, that the irritants and the impurities have been removed to avert allergic reactions and sensitivities like in these poor people that I've seen. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps. If you know somebody who needs to hear this, please share the video with them. I think it's really important. If you're a beauty therapist and you've seen this in your client's skin, you've seen people doing this to their skin, please share this video with them. They need to know that there are people damaging their skin out there by self-prescribing, buying stuff online, buying stuff from pharmacies and supermarkets that is the wrong thing for their skin. We need to help these people to stop this kind of damage, stop this kind of suffering. Thank you. And if you need more information, come and visit my blog, thebeautybusiness.com.au. I have also a private group, the Beauty Business Students group on Facebook. You're welcome to join in. I answer these kind of questions there and try and help people. All right. Thank you very much. Until next time. Bye for now.